Have you been to Wales? Do you know where it is? The country of Wales is part of the United Kingdom, to the east of Ireland. 3 million people live here. But did you know that there are 4 times as many sheep as people in Wales? People have lived here in Wales for at least 29,000 years. Most people speak English, but 20% of the population also speak Welsh. Cardiff is the largest city in the country. It's the capital. Wales has more castles per square kilometre than any other country in the world. Perhaps you know the story of King Arthur. The real King Arthur was a British fighter from a long time ago. He fought against invaders. And for many years, people told stories of his brave actions. Some stories say Arthur was a king, with loyal knights and a wizard friend. All over Wales, you can find the sites of King Arthur's stories. This is the top of Snowdon. This is where Rhitta, the giant, lived. He and Arthur were enemies, but Arthur killed the giant and buried him under the rocks. And here is Llyn Ogwen, where the legend says Arthur's magical sword Excalibur lies. Today, people in Wales are more interested in football than in King Arthur. And rugby is even more popular. It's considered the national sport. So, if you go to the United Kingdom, don't forget to visit Wales, the land of castles, King Arthur, and lots of natural beauty.